Hi guys, today we are looking at Color Jumper from Holy Fire Games. You can play this on a desktop computer on the Gazpo IO site. Color Jumper is one of those rare games that has a very simple concept, but it is extremely fun to play. You control your Color Jumper by clicking the left mouse button. The trick, of course, is in coordinating how fast or how many jumps you need to do to progress upwards. Your Color Jumper has many shapes or objects to pass through. It can only safely pass through things that are of the same color. As you move up, you will have to pass through a fast color changing ball, which will give your Color Jumper a new color. You will have to pass through big and small spinning circles. There are also slow spinning squares which change direction. You need to be careful of the corners of these as you approach them. Sometimes there will be two circles interjoined or even side by side. The speed at which you move through different sections determines how many points you get. Sometimes you will face one, two, or even more moving colored walls. You may have to jump in place, waiting for the right moment to move up. You get more points for completing stages faster, but of course that's much more dangerous. How far can you get in Color Jumper? Enjoy!